think I did that wrong. Yes. Hey everyone, it's Maiya, and today I'm going to be doing a nighttime skincare routine using products I got from Dollar Tree. Yes, ma'am, everything I'll be using is from Dollar Tree, and it was $1.25 each. I do believe that these products, the ones I got, are supposed to be duplicates of Glow Recipe, but I've never tried Glow Recipe, so I'm just going to be able to tell you guys whether I like them or not. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I just washed my face. So I believe that these are Glow Recipe dupes. I've never tried Glow Recipe, but I did get these from Dollar Tree. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm not usually a fan of like artificial like watermelon scents, so I'm hoping that that's not a turn on. I'm gonna start with the Glow Up toner. It's so cute. It has a glass bottle. I do not have a cotton swab, so I'm just gonna use a paper towel. Let's see, this is how it looks when you open it. Is it already open, or is that a, what is this? How do you use this? Okay, let's see, let's keep trying. Let's try this again. Oh girl, how am I supposed to use this? Do I do this? Or do I do this? I don't know how to open this. Oh, okay. Okay, so that pops out. Using fingers or cotton applied to face and neck. It does have that artificial like watermelon smell, of course, but it's not too overbearing for me. Uh-oh, did I not put this down all the way? Okay. Cool. And with this Glow Up Serum, and it just says apply 1 to 2 pumps before moisturizer. And super cute. Wait, I think I did that wrong. Yes, okay. There we go. Then lastly, we're gonna use this Glow Up Night Moisturizer, and you are to use this after you do all of your skincare. Very cute. The packaging is literally adorable. I love the packaging. And all of these are glass jars. Like all of them come in glass jars. And this looks like it's gonna be super lightweight, which I love. And it is. Watching this bag, I'm literally cracking up because I could have used way more moisturizer. I don't know why I was trying to make that a little bit stretch, but I definitely could have gone in with a bit more moisturizer. So I'll show you guys 2 other products that I didn't use. I did get this toner from Dermacell, and it has lactobionic acid, aloe vera, and vitamin E, so I'm excited to try that on another night. And I also got this Clinical's It's like a moisturizing set. So it has a day moisturizer and a night moisturizer, and it really puts me in the mind of Clinique. And there's something else that I've seen that this puts me in the mind of, but for sure this puts me in the mind of Clinique. I have not ever used Glow Recipe, so I can't tell you like how it compares. I think this is nice. Everything was only $125 out of Dollar Tree. I'm trying to get into my skincare, and I was told that I need to be using a toner, and was told to especially be focusing on moisturizing my skin. So I'm excited to see how this goes. Let me know if you guys have tried it and if you like it, and I'll catch you later.